Use a bid bond to pay your charges and stay out of jail. Understanding the role of bid bonds in legal proceedings. When facing legal charges, do not use a traditional bond. Instead, request a bid bond. The term principal refers to the individual, you, while the strawman serves as the surety. Designate the strawman as the surety and yourself as the principal. Following this, complete a performance bond, which acts as a reinsurance bond for the bid bond. On the reinsurance bond, list yourself as the guarantor or reinsurer. The performance bond requires a $274 filing fee. Using CUSIP numbers in court cases. To underwrite the bid bond, apply the performance bond and reference your district court case number, particularly in cases such as child support. The CUSIP number, a 9-digit number found on the back of your Social Security card in red or blue ink. Do not allow judges to imprison you, instead, discharge the debt yourself. The judicial system profits from incarceration, monetizing prisoners by selling bonds on the stock market. The commercial nature of courtrooms. Courtrooms operate as commercial entities under Uniform Commercial Code, UCC, Section 3 to 410. The court seeks acceptance and an acceptor under UCC 3-410. The indictment functions as a bill of exchange, a three-party draft involving the grand jury foreman, drawer/maker, defendant/debtor, strawman, drawee, state, payee, living person, payer. According to 27 CFR 72.11, all crimes are classified as commercial offenses. The role of negotiable instruments in court cases. Courts make commercial presentments under UCC 3-501, where presentment is necessary to charge secondary parties. A failure to accept the charge leads to dishonor under UCC 3505C and UCC 3-501-2A, B. Acceptance is the drawer's signed agreement to honor a draft. The court requires acceptance to monetize the charge. Understanding the strawman and trust structures. The strawman operates as a cestui trust, requiring the trustee, you, to discharge debts by law. The principal, you, hold exemptions necessary for discharging debt. Monetized debt necessitates a principal, capital, and interest, forming revenue and tax liabilities. The accrual accounting method manages debits, assets, and credits, liabilities. The prison bond system and commercialization of incarceration. Prison bonds, such as bid bonds, Standard Form 24, Rev 10-98, function as financial instruments. Social Security numbers linked to blank bonds, filled out upon incarceration. The three primary contract surety bonds include: bid bond, ensures financial integrity in bidding. Performance bond, protects against contractual nonperformance. Payment bond, guarantees payment of subcontractors. Private prison industries profit significantly from incarceration, demonstrated by Lehman Brothers' $695 million investment in Corrections Corporation of America, CCA, in 2002. Increased prisoner demand post 9/11 due to Homeland Security policies. Billion-dollar incentives to maintain high incarceration rates. Conclusion: fighting legal fraud and economic exploitation. The legal system operates on commercial deception, indebting individuals through fraudulent contractual agreements. To protect oneself, 1. Utilize bid bonds, performance bonds, and reinsurance bonds. 2. Understand UCC regulations and financial mechanisms in court. 3. Challenge fraudulent incarceration and financial exploitation. Stop supporting unjust legal and financial systems, exercise your sovereign rights to live freely and independently.